Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Hindi Nasi Sudoku Baslan, March 16, 2022, 3-star Sudoku. Column D, 4 numbers are remaining, 2, 5, 7, 8. 7th grade, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. Then only 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 5, 8. It will come in with the 3 cells. We will confirm later. Column C, 9th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. 9th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. 7th grade, only 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 9th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1 to 5. Column E, we have 2 and 5. So 2 and 5 can't come in this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. Then only 1 number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. Fifth row and 7th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 3rd row, 5 numbers are remaining, 1, 2, 3, 4, 7. Column B and 1st grade, we have 1, 2, 4, 7. These 4 numbers can't come this cell. It will come in with the 4 cells. Then only 1 number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Since 3 is here, so 3 can't come in this cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 5th row and column B, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column C, we have 4 and 7. So 4 and 7 can't come this cell. It will come in the 2 cells. We will confirm later. 4th grade, only 1 number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. 2nd row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. 2nd row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column H, 4 numbers are remaining, 1, 4, 7, 8. 2nd row, we have 1, 4, 8. These 3 numbers can't come in this cell. It will come in with the 3 cells. Then only 1 number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. 9th grade, we have 8. 3rd row also we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. 8th row we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 3rd row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1 to 7. 3rd grade, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. It will come in with the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. Column F, we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. 3 is confirmed here. then 6 is here. Column E, column F, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. And 6 is confirmed here. Column F, we have 3 and 8. So 3 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Eighth grade, only 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. 8th row we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. It will come in with the 2 cells. We will confirm later. 4th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. Column I, we have 6. So 6 can come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column G, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 5, 9. 5th row, we have 1 and 5. So 1 and 5 can't come in this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. Then only 1 number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. 4th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 4th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 2nd grade, only 1 number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 7. It will come in with the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Sixth grade, 5 numbers are remaining, 1, 4, 7, 8, 9. 6th row and 7th row we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Column I also we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. Then 8 is confirmed here. 5th row on column J we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. 5th row and 6th row we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. 6th grade, only 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 7. It will come in with 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column J, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column J, we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 7th grade, only 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. 8th row we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 8th row we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Eighth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 7. Column J, we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Since 7 is here, so 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 6th grade, only 1 number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. 5th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 7th row, only 1 number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. Column J, we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.